Hi, I'm Eric from Brio Product Group, and if you're going to spend the money to upgrade from a manual toothbrush, make sure you're getting a toothbrush that actually brushes your teeth. That's right, low power electric brushes don't actually move the bristles enough to effectively clean your teeth without having to brush like normal. Full power electric brushes create a brushing action that does brush your teeth for you. Let me show you what I mean. The benefit of a full power brush is that you no longer need to think about technique, duration, or pressure when you're brushing your teeth. The brush does the work for you. All you need to do is guide the brush over your teeth, and it gets your teeth cleaner than if you were scrubbing back and forth with your hand. Now that that's out of the way, how do you find the right full power electric toothbrush? Here's a few things to look for. So if you want an electric toothbrush that's actually going to clean your teeth, you need a sizable battery and a strong motor. A tiny little motor like this with a counterweight just isn't going to cut it. It's not going to translate enough movement to the brush head to actually brush your teeth. The motor is the key component to electric toothbrushing success. It's the part that produces all the power and does all the work. So how do you find an electric toothbrush with a strong motor? Here's some tips. Look for a brush with a thicker handle. Thin brushes only hold very small motors and won't generate much power. AA or AAA batteries are a dead giveaway. Any brush with replaceable batteries likely has a small motor. So if you want an electric toothbrush that's actually going to clean your teeth, you need a sizable battery and a strong motor. The third element is the PCB or circuit board. This is a glorified on-off switch that controls all of those fancy functions that your toothbrush does. All of those fancy functions won't clean your teeth any better, but they do offer a little room for adjustment so you can find the setting that feels right for you. We found that approximately 5% of our customers think that the SmartClean is too powerful, and another 5% believe that the brush is not powerful enough. Now, neither group is wrong, they just have different preferences. Sometimes a little adjustment is a good thing. That is exactly why the SmartClean offers 3 different brush head options. At Brio, we've been working with dentists for the last 5 years. And the one thing we've learned is the right toothbrush is the one that you use. So get a brush that feels right and use it. Most manufacturers don't disclose their battery or motor size, so it can be very difficult to figure out what's in there. Electric toothbrushes range from a few dollars to a few $100s. And I hate to use price as a proxy, but I can say with confidence that it's not possible to build a powerful electric toothbrush for less than $30. To cover the cost of the components, including the battery, the motor, and the circuit board, $30 is sort of a bare minimum price that any manufacturer can make and sell a toothbrush for that will actually be powerful enough to clean your teeth. Don't get me wrong, there are some super crappy toothbrushes that cost more than $30, but paying less than that nearly guarantees the toothbrush you're buying will not have the ability to actually brush your teeth. When it comes to recommending a full power electric toothbrush, I am extremely biased towards sonic brushes. I've tried many brushes over the years, but I've found that sonic brushes make my teeth feel cleaner. Many oscillating brushes have enough power to clean your teeth, but I feel the difference is in the sonic brush's ability to move fluid in places where the bristles can't reach, and the stimulation to your gums, which isn't replicated in the same way with an oscillating brush. I think that most people that are using an oscillating brush would prefer the feel of a sonic brush if they tried one. That's why an oscillating brush is one of the very few styles of toothbrush that I would not recommend to anyone. Put it this way, oscillating brushes are good, but I feel sonic brushes are a little bit better. That's all I can tell you. If I missed anything, please ask in the comments below. If you're looking for a great sonic toothbrush, check out the Brio SmartClean. Whether you're an experienced electric toothbrush user or looking for an upgrade, the SmartClean is a great option for you. If you don't agree, send it back within 90 days for a full refund. Check that out in the link below. If you want more information on how to choose an electric toothbrush, check out this fancy flowchart I made. It's in an article linked below. If you want more information like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.